Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and show you guys the latest product from PlushMoji. If you remember in the past, probably a couple years ago now, I did a giveaway of their poop emoji slippers, and I also showed you their heart emoji pillow as well as their smiley face emoji pillow. Their latest project is called the PlushMoji Maker, and what it is a custom pillow, and it allows you to make your own emoji pillow. So it does come in this drawstring bag, and it kind of feels like fleece. And inside you should find a 12-inch blank PlushMoji pillow here. And inside we have all of the pieces. Whoa. Wow, it's not even just faces. There are all kinds of, this looks like some sort of a hat. Oh yeah, because that's a sailor hat or some sort of navy hat. That's pretty awesome. So there are 80 different Velcro pieces in here. So you're going to have a completely unique experience. You can make so many, countless amounts of different types of emojis due to all of the different combinations. I'm not going to quite open it right now because I am thinking of doing a giveaway of this product a little bit later so that one of you can get your hands on this. But just know that it has some of everything in here. I will have a link in the description box below so that you can get the full details on the product. But the bottom line is, this is a pretty good product to be able to express yourself. For example, think about children who have issues expressing their emotions. You can say, okay, here is the PlushMoji Maker. Go ahead and show me on the pillow how you're feeling right now. So they can use these Velcro pieces to make a face, to express their emotions. There are countless things that you can do with this pillow, so it's a pretty unique and pretty fun idea. Special thanks to our friends over at PlushMoji for sharing their PlushMoji Maker. Stay tuned in the future where I may do a giveaway on this product. But meanwhile, check out the description box below for a link to this product so that you can purchase your own. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.